Bonjour. I did a mod to my 8Bitdo SFC30 pad a few days ago, and it only just occurred to me that other people might also want to do this. The battery in these pads is a pretty limp 480 milliamp, and I've replaced it with a 1300 milliamp battery. I can't do a step by step because I've already done the mod, but it should be pretty easy for anyone to do, and it should work also with the SNES variant of this pad as well. Basically, I've replaced it with a CTR-003 type battery that's designed to power the 3DS. This is a Cameron Sino battery. Let me just flip that over so you can read it properly. So that's the model number and the type. So you've got almost 3 times the battery capacity. Fairly simple to do. The original battery's a lot smaller, but it fits in the same place. The only thing you need to do is desolder the old battery. It's all labelled on the actual battery, the positive and negative, and it's obvious because the wires are coloured accordingly. The only thing that is a bit tricky is chopping out the plastic on the back half of the controller. So you need to do it that looks something like this. Doesn't have to be neat, it just has to fit this damn phone. Because obviously the new battery is quite a bit bigger. So just use a Dremel to chop away the plastic as I've done here. The battery, I just hot glued it in a couple of spots. Needs to be up against those 2 posts at the top where the shoulder buttons are anchored. And then you just Dremel away the plastic so that you can fit that battery in there. It's not much thicker than the original battery, so you don't have to worry about that. It will definitely fit. Just need to chop away this bit at the top here to make room, and also chop away this little wall at the bottom here. One part which you do need to be careful with is this here. You need to flatten off the top of that tube just with a Dremel. Otherwise, you can fit. Before I did that, I could force the back of the case on, but it would shove the battery upwards and deform these. It would bend these pillars over that hold the shoulder buttons, and the shoulder buttons would get stuck. So you need to just trim off a little bit of plastic off that tube, but you've got to be careful because if you go too deep, then obviously it will show. You'll make a hole through to the back in the actual plastic tube. So fairly easy to do, and now I've got approximately 60 hours battery life instead of 20, which is nice. So yeah, give it a try.